Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. Today I'm just telling about the Mphasis onboarding update. There was a breaking news for the onboarding in June. There was a joining news onboarding update. There was an information was a candidate who has received the information in the last mail. 2023 batch also there was a good news information for the 2023 who is just passing in this year only, and 2021 and 22 candidate who are just expected joining to be in June or not or something like that, or having the information of the like the further information I will share in this video. So I hope guys you have subscribed my channel or Technical Rajput Blog or not. Please the bell icon for more notification, because if any update regarding Mphasis or something like the onboarding delay or expected joining from the Mphasis company, then I will be share with you video all the information with my channel through only. So you can also watch my playlist where you can all the information where the Mphasis have a joining in the last in the April session, May session, and the upcoming month also there was a full information. So guys, there was a small point they are just discussing about the 23 and 24 May onboarding update. There was a company was just sent the on a 10th May there was an onboarding delay. After the onboarding delay there was a new joining date on a 23 and 24th May onboarding update. So there is some technical glitch on the about the something like the problem was happening in the company. So there was a 23 May was onboarding in a again delay on a 29th May, and 24th May many candidates have received the 70 to 80 candidates have received the onboarding update, and there was a training program something like that, not a training but there was a of online something meaning our assessment like the having happening in the 24th May. After the 24th May there was a 29th May there was a joining of the many candidates have received the till 100 to 150 candidate have batches joining the 29th May in a Pune or Bangalore location. Understand guys? 24th May candidate delay get voting on 29th May due to the some technical issues by 23rd to 24th May. So guys, there is a expected joining in June or not, because there was a only the May session there was only the two joining phases. This was 10th of May and 23rd 24th, and there was 24th but delay on 29th. So there is only two batch joining on a May session. I hope so there is a more than a two batch joining in a June session also, because many candidates have just received the, but there will be a onboarding is 100% positive, because there was a news about the company with 2023 new batch candidate have received the mail about their 2023 batch candidate will receive the joining between this date to this date, and there will be a chances for the 2021 was a big opportunity for the candidate who are just waiting for the more than a 8 month or 9 month or more than a 1 year. So they will be giving the chance for the firstly, because they are just waiting for the more than a year, so they are giving the chances in a batches manner. And so I think I expected joining in a June. You will get the further information in a June first week, because there was a more than a May session joining, because May session there was a delay again and again, and due to some problem or something like the election is happening on a Karnataka session. Due to some this was a problem was expected in a company side, so that's why they just onboarding delay again and again. So these are the few point was discussed with me. So guys, I think so just explaining in a full manner. So this is the information where I'm just telling you about that. So guys, this is the new mail was candidate was received by the many candidates have received onboarding due 2023 just now passing, who's completed in who are just in our final year or just passing in a June or July something like that. They having all the degree in hand, and they are just giving their exam of the Mphasis candidate who are just waiting for the opportunity, because last year there was an exam was conducted for the 2023 batch. Mphasis intend to onboard 2023 passing out candidate anytime between June 1, 2023 to July 30, 2024. So guys, there was a good information for the 2023 passing out candidate, because they have just giving the information. There will be a June 1 to June 30, 2024. There will be a any time where your joining will be possible between this 1 year after the June 1 to July 30 in 2024. Please consider as 2024, not 2023. This is the news. Understand? In event you fail to respond to Mphasis with 15 days, Mphasis communicating the onboarding date, letter of intent, stand revoke or terminated. If you guys if you get any information from the company side, you will not respond to the company side, then you will be offer letter will be revoked or terminated within a 15 days. So guys, be aware about that. Always check your mail ID, always check your mail, and always check your the spam folder also every day, because anytime they will be send you the mail about their onboarding or something like the offer letter or something like anything from the company side. So every day you will check, because if you miss anything, like having the document verification or background verification, something have document, anything you will miss, then you will not will be going to onboarded this year, because 2023 batch student have giving the officially date announced, because June 1 to June 30 there is the official announcement of the date they will be joining between this year. Because so guys, 2023 student, you have to wait for the till something 7 to 8 month, or 8 9 9 to month 10th month also. So this is the information guys, I hope so. This is the good new information for the 2023 batching passes down batch. I hope so there will be a good news for the 2021-22 student also, because they are just waiting for the more than 1 year. So there will be a company will communicate with even the small, like having the message or mail, something like that, they will be onboarded within this month also. I think so they will be also taking the advantage or something like